India is a country located in South Asia and is the second most populous country in the world, with over 1.3 billion people. The capital of India is New Delhi, and the country has a federal parliamentary. India has a rich history that dates back to ancient times and has been home to several powerful empires and kingdoms. The country is known for its diverse culture, languages, and religion: Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism. India is also known for its contributions to mathematics, science, and literature. Zero, for example, was invented in India, and ancient Indian mathematicians' contributions to the field of mathematics. India has all. The Indian economy is one of the fastest growing in the world and is driven by a mix of agriculture, manufacturing, and services sectors. India is also known for its with cities such as Bangalore and Hyderabad. However, India also faces several challenges, including poverty. Despite these challenges, India remains with a rich cultural heritage and a rapidly growing economy.